Thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Towards the end of December, I was able to find these LOZ, L-O-Z brand mini kits. I had purchased one, and these are all part of a set. And it was this one here, the toy shop or the gift shop. And I saw that there was all these other ones, but I couldn't find them readily. I eventually found them on a website called Gundam USA. I will link the store in the information below there. It's a great place to pick these other kits up. And in fact, they have a lot of LOZ kits. I mean, probably 100. But it's a great store to buy from. Shipping was quick. It was nice. Everything arrived in good order. It wasn't all smashed up like you get from Temu, and oftentimes, unfortunately, also from Amazon. But yeah, so let's take a quick look at these other three kits here. I decided to do a Christmas in July and build them in July. So that's what this is all about. So this is the sled shop. You can see it's got some doggies and a little chalet. And then we've got the Santa Claus house. And sorry with the reflections. Unfortunately, they make these kits with a very reflective surface, so it's a little tough to do these videos, unfortunately. Yeah, but there's the Santa Claus house, and then here is the bakery. Yeah, but these are mini brick kits. They are not Lego size, but they are Lego style bricks. Here is the gift shop. I'll pick it up here so you can see. Yeah, so I really like these mini brick kits because I have a small house, so they fit nicely in my small house. Here's the back side. The thing, I love this kit, but I do remember it being a little too hard in some areas. There was an area here that just kept falling apart, or falling off, so I just took it out of there because they really didn't need to be in there in the first place. They did more than they really needed to. Yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful kit. I think it's really sparks the imagination with it because it's so cute. It has so many things to look at. You got these toys in the window here, and on this side. Yeah, so we'll get these other three built and on camera here, of course, and then we'll give them a review individually, and we'll probably do a review all together, just like I'm doing with this intro video. All right, here we go. Okay, so we have finished the Christmas builds, the Christmas in July builds from LOZ or LOLs. We have 4 different kits here. We have the sled shop, which you're looking at right now. The bakery, along with, it had a little kiosk too. The sled shop had a little guy on a sled deal there. We also had the Santa shop here. And last but not least, this was the toy shop. And yeah. Also in the middle here, we've got a fountain, as well as a little skating rink. They were a lot of fun. I enjoy these little LOZ kits. They make a very good small Christmas display. If you want to do something that's brick related and as a Christmas display, these are perfect. They're not going to take up much space. They take about 6 to 8 hours a piece to build. Their price is good. They're really around the range of 20 bucks. And for the amount of fun and I think imagination inspired, I think they're very, very well worth it. LOZ is a great little brick kit. Definitely recommend them. They produce nice builds. They have great instructions, and their bricks fit together very well. Alright. Well, thank you very much for watching Stone's Reviews. I hope this Christmas in July build was as fun for you as it was for me. Please consider subscribing. We need you desperately. And please hit that like button if you found these videos helpful. Thank you.